In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a signal that shouldn't exist. It lasted exactly 72 seconds, and it changed everything we know about space. The astronomer who found it was so shocked he circled the data on a paper printout and wrote one single word in red ink: "Wow." But here's the part that will keep you up at night. The signal didn't come from a satellite, a planet, or a human broadcast. It came from a completely empty patch of the Sagittarius constellation. It was a 30 standard deviation spike, meaning it was incredibly loud, incredibly clear, and perfectly targeted. Scientists spent the next 45 years pointing every telescope we have at that exact spot in the sky. They found nothing. No echo, no repeat, just dead silence. It's like something or someone shouted once, then went quiet forever. Some say it was a glitch. Others believe we missed our only chance to say hello. Comment "signal" if you think we're not alone in the universe. Because ever